Alright everyone, so now we are back in with a real quick video here for everyone. So, just a couple days ago, I did my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S20, right? I did my unboxing of this a couple days ago, right? And I will release this video a couple days after, alright? And in the video, I was a little bummed out because this is the Verizon variant of the phone. And I specifically thought I picked up the globally unlocked variant of the phone. All right, because although I do have a Verizon SIM, I also have an AT&T SIM. And although I told y'all in the video I did pick up this device for one specific purpose, which this device can deliver, is not exactly in the way I wanted it to be delivered, but it can do the feature I needed to do. I was going to do a dedicated video on it because I thought it got the new layout and the new look, but no. But still, it does let me record the dual video in higher quality with better cameras, and that's specifically what I picked up this device for. But I told y'all in that video that I was bummed out because this was a Verizon variant. Now, I also told you guys and gals that I would reach out to the seller and see if he can send me out a replacement or if he can show me a way to verify that it is unlocked, because I was specifically paying for a globally unlocked variant. So as I told y'all in the video, if there was no way to verify that it was really globally unlocked, I would be sending it back, because although I picked up the device for a specific purpose, I still want to use it and put it through all of its paces. All right? I didn't just pick up a camera. I could have just went and spent money and picked up a really good camera. I picked up a smartphone, which also happened to have a really good camera in it. So I wanted to be able to use the device fully. So after the video, I did send an email out to the seller. All right, so let me show you the email that I sent out to the seller right here, right? And you can see the time. Now, when I sent this email via Amazon's email service, they do say that when you correspond with sellers, you have to give the sellers up to 48 hours. All right, so here we are. What? It's actually a day and a half later, but I'm going to drop the video 2 days later. So here we are a day and a half later. And the seller actually got back to me this morning. And he did let me know that it is the globally unlocked variant. And all the Verizon stuff I see is just cosmetic, because basically Verizon devices are unlocked as long as they're paid off. So as long as you have a paid off Verizon unlocked device, it is a globally unlocked device. All right. And he went on to tell me if I did a return or replacement, there's no guarantee that I would get the official globally unlocked variant. I may get a T-Mobile variant, I may get an AT&T variant, or I may get another Verizon variant, but he did verify and he did reassure me that this variant was globally unlocked, okay? So, at which point, I just emailed him back, and I was like, okay, thank you, because I was a little bit concerned, because I do have an AT&T SIM. I didn't let him know that I also have a Verizon SIM as well, but I do have an AT&T SIM, and I did believe, after doing some research, that I was going to get the globally unlocked variant ending in U1. But I will go ahead and set up my AT&T SIM, and if it works, we're good to go. If not, I will go ahead and initiate the return process. And then I just thanked him for his quick reply, and I told him to have a good one. All right? So, I was going to wait. I was going to wait a week or so after I finished up the battery testing on the Pixel 6a, but I just had to know. I had to know, right? So here you can see the SIM tray for the Pixel 6a is right here. And you can see, although I'm recording on the device, There is no SIM card in the device. This is an empty SIM tray, right? That's because I put the SIM, the AT&T Free Up Mobile SIM, into the S20, right? And I basically just, let me show y'all. You basically just do what I told y'all to do before. So you would go to connections, then you would go to mobile networks right here. Once I put my AT&T SIM in, it changed to global network status, right? After that point, all I had to do was go access point names and just program in my access point name for my Free Up Mobile AT&T SIM. Boy, that Google Pixel is having a lot of focus hunting issues today. What's going on, Google? So you can see I programmed the APNs, and I pretty much just tapped on it to save it after I saved it. And then I waited a few minutes, and it didn't pop up. So as I always say, after you program your APNs, if it doesn't pop up within a few minutes, you just restart your device. I restarted my device, and booyah! There y'all can see it, 4G LTE on the S20 here, right? And y'all can see everything is indeed working. Let me show you real quickly here. So now we can go to somewhere like YouTube. And you see, let me refresh that. YouTube is working, no problem. And again, this is all over mobile data, right? And then I also went ahead and verified that the text messages and calls work. So let me go into my messages real quickly. And you can see I just sent a picture message to myself. I sent a few of them. And I just called myself, right? And you can see, boom, it works. There's the first picture I sent to myself. And then there's the second picture I sent to myself. Okay? And I did this both ways. I called myself one way, I messaged myself one way, and then I texted myself one way just to make sure it works both ways. And you can see I just got a notification there. Boom. So everything seems to be working. Now, the phone is fussing at me because I'm not using a Verizon SIM. So you can see right there, it is fussing at me. The SIM card you have in SIM card 1 is not a Verizon wireless SIM, so some functions and features may not work correctly. It is fussing at me, but it is working. And as long as it works, it can fuss at me all it wants. And as you can see, let me verify for y'all here. Let me put the device down. So that's the S20. All I did was text message and call myself back and forth with my iPhone here. So you can see if we go into my notification center here, there's the text messages. Boom. From my Free Up Mobile SIM. There's my picture messages. No problems. So calls are working, text messages are working, no problems. All right? So good stuff there. So real quick verification video for everyone. I just wanted to verify that it is indeed unlocked, although it is a Verizon variant. It's a paid off Verizon variant, so it is indeed unlocked. So it will work on AT&T, as I just tested. It will work on Verizon. It will work on T-Mobile and any of their MVNOs or subcarriers. So the S20 FE that I did indeed purchase from Amazon is indeed globally unlocked. All right. So after I finish my coverage on the Google Pixel 6a, I will drop my SIMs into the S20 and we'll put the S20 through all of its paces. All right. So y'all be on the lookout for coverage from the S20, cameras, software, all of that good stuff. Y'all know how we do when I review devices. And after I do the coverage on the S20, this will become my primary recording device for the channel. This, along with my two S10s. So let me show y'all. So here's one S10 right here. and then here's my other S10 right here. And then all the editing will be done on my tablet, which is a Samsung tablet. It's on the bed. I'm not going to reach across the bed to try and grab it. But all the production and promotion for the channel moving forward will be done on Samsung exclusive devices. All right. So this should really overall super increase my workflow, because when you go from Samsung to Samsung, it is super easy. Or when you go from Samsung to any other Android, it is super easy as well. But I am super happy to see this. We do have a globally unlocked S20, so I will be able to put it through all of its paces. All right, we don't want to make this video longer than this. So real quick data verification video, and just verifying that if you get the V variant of the S20 and the device is paid off, it should then be globally unlocked. Okay, so I showed y'all the model numbers in the video, so y'all know what model number this is. Y'all know what model number I thought I was getting, and y'all know, because I verified it, that data and everything is working here. So that does it for this video. And once again, this whole video here today was recorded using the rear-facing 12 megapixel camera on the Google Pixel 6a, and this is being recorded in 1080p. Now I might just downsample it to 720p just to save time and space, but y'all let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated, and remember to keep it respectful, please. And I'll link up all the relevant stuff down below in the video description as well. So if you're interested in picking up anything featured in the video, as well as what was recording the video, all the relevant affiliated bio links will be linked up down below in the video description as well. And when you use those links, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel, but that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So it's a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. All right. So as always, if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. All right. I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. I'm so excited that this worked out. I can't even talk back here, man. Whew. Now I have everything that I need to move the channel forward. Okay? I am super excited right now. I was super bummed out, and now I'm super excited. All right. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace.